Hello everyone, come and join me again for another coffee shop hunting here in Boal. So I'm currently at Odilisis, pretty much near the on the side lang ng road. And this is how it looks like. It's a weekday afternoon. It's very hot. So this is the alfresco area, and this is how the look how how the inside looks like. Guys, this is just a raw video. I'm not gonna edit this or add any music or whatnot, but I'm just, I'll show you everything. So they have wine selections, cold cuts here, salami, ham, drinks, cheese, different type of cheese, sparkling wines again, and they have different pastries and condiments. So yeah. And they have different types of chocolate also. This is the menu, so their coffee is very affordable and it's delicious. Different type of croissant. Show you how it looks like outside. So they also have the alfresco at the back, wherein you can also sit down, charge, or do your work. But it's a bit hot right now, and they're only open from, I think they're only open up until 7 in the evening. On that side there is the comfort area, the toilet, but right now someone's working, so I'm not gonna pass there. I'm not gonna go there. But this is how it looks like from the outside if you're looking inside from the outside, guys. So, and yes, this is where I usually stay if I wanted to chill. Not really chill, but when I do my work, and this is my usual spot. So for today, I'm just gonna pass this area. If it's not so hot, I just sit here, sip my coffee or juice, and then watch the passerby. But this time I'm not doing it because the sun is glaring and my eyes is I'm still very sleepy, so it hurts my eyes. But yes, this is a very good view if you're like working, and you can just look up. So yeah, and sure, this is me, Boal, and this is where I work usually. This is my station or my area here because there's the outlet is near, so that's why. And yeah, this is how everything looks like, and I'm not gonna edit this one, so you can hear all the noises, the background noises and everything. So I'm going to work now. My favorite is the Panau chocolate. But today, this is This is their menu. It's very affordable. And for today, since I already have, it's 10:45, already had breakfast and coffee, so I decided to order pineapple juice. And their juices are really delicious, refreshing, organic. Pasta, different sandwiches. And yes, this is where I am sitting. Oops, sorry. And this is my what I ordered. Pineapple juice. I'm almost done with my pineapple juice. And I'm reading this right now. I'm writing as well.